This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at Oslo Motor Show. This is happening this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday at Nova Spectrum, Lillestrøm. So you can come over here. It's open now for the public, so you can check out lots of cars. But I will start over here at Polestar. So Polestar 2, not much to see there. Polestar 3, but this is the new Polestar BST concept. It's not drivable. Yeah, I asked about I asked about okay, what is it, 800 volt architecture? Well, they are not even that far. It's not drivable. It's probably just an empty shell. That's it. Looks nice though. They had something similar a couple of years ago, and then they just updated it with some wings and some stuff. So I can show in the back what it looks like here. So unfortunately, we are not able to sit in the car, or I think not even touch it. So I think now we just have to poke around and see the interior. Okay, let's hope the software is not that buggy. Well, you see, it has the same stocks that you find in also the Volvo EX30 and the other Polestar. So yeah, and what? Huh? Oh, they have rear seat for people without legs. Wait, how do they strap with a seat belt? Huh? What? So I'll do a walk around, just like with other expos, so you can figure out whether you want to come here or not. But this is not the pure EV expo. You see that there are also fossil cars here, plus some EV. Oh, there's one I need to check out, Hongxi. But let me just show you, do a quick sweep here. What can you expect here? Series is something I need to check out. It's yet another Chinese brand. They haven't been that popular yet. I'm not sure if they start delivering. So yeah, interesting. It seems to be, well, not that big. Is it yet on the SUV crossover? Yeah. Seems to be actually smaller than Model Y even. So lots of series over here. Here we have some fossil. Probably not too interesting. Ris Bilgas over there. Yeah. So I'm not sure if I should show any of this. Probably not too interesting for you guys. Here, Hongxi. They come now with a new EHS7 and EH7. So I need to try to film this in a separate video. But this is some new shit. They charge at 250 kilowatts. It has lots of improvement, head-up display, some matrix lights and so on. So this is some sedans. Yeah, I need to check out this, definitely. Let me just check over here what's going on here. Oh, they're going to unveil, there's the AMG. They're going to start the engine. This is a fossil, AMG 1 I think it's called. So yeah, it's going to be loud. They're going to start the engine several times per day. Just moving on. So most of the expo is actually not EV, just lots of fossil and also other stuff that is not directly to car. Let's say like Ris Bilgas, which is the glass fixing company, right? So you have Gatebil and stuff over here. So, but of course I know that in my channel there are also many people who are not EV fans. So maybe for them it would be interesting to check out other stuff, like stuff that brummers, you know, that hums. So there's also a kids corner. Let's see if I can find it. So if you bring your family and your kids over here, the kids, they have a place to hang out. Wait, whoa, what is this? Yeah, oh, I need to check out this. So I'm not sure if they officially start importing the F-150 Lightning, but I've seen more and more of those on the road. But I'm not sure if it's directly from... Oh, okay, yes. Hello. Well, there's a Nissan guy. Yeah. So, okay, so I need to film. Yeah. I'll talk to you later. Yeah. So, I'm not sure if it's official yet, but I need to test this eventually. And then we have Capri. Is that not an EV? Looks like an EV. Ford Explorer. It's based on What was it again? MEB platform. Let me check here. Is it open? Can we poke on it? I also need to do a quick review. Yeah, so I need to borrow it and test it. And then here we have, is this also an EV? Looks like an EV. I mean, you know, okay, how can I tell it's an EV? Because it doesn't have a massive grille. So there are some EVs here. Is that a Taycan behind us? No, it's not. It's a fossil. Okay. Okay. So nothing. So here we just have a bunch of fossil stuff. More fossil over there. Let's check out the other halls. Maybe this hall here. I think hall C was the most important or most interesting hall. The other halls are probably not that interesting for you guys. Well, I mean, it depends what you're looking for. Oh, this is a classic. Wow. Okay, let me take a look here. Do a quick sweep. So yeah, you see, we have different companies that doesn't directly have anything to do with car. I mean, well, they has something to do with cars, but not car companies, right? So just check it out. Go over here. I will try to not make you guys too dizzy. So, Voyah, yeah. Okay, so they are spread a little bit out. Voyah, they still have that Voyah dream I need to check out. So where should I move? Maybe I'm just gonna maybe come back to them, but let's just check here quickly. What do we have here? So the whole purpose of this video is to give you an overview. I might not be able to cover everything, but at least most of it, so that you can see, okay, over there I think I'm not even gonna bother. But here, Voyah, wait, what is this? Huh? Wait, what is this? 007. This is electric. Oh, it's even in it's in Chinese. Ooh, I need to hey, I need to check out what this is. Huh? What brand is this? Okay, but it's Chinese, and it has nice interior, like most cars. You can kind of see the software resembles most other Chinese cars. Also the design. But okay, I need to. They are still running on Chinese software. Yeah. So it's okay. Something is going to be unveiled here. So this is Voyah, and yeah, okay. So I'll check out Voyah eventually. Wait, is there something I don't know of? What is this? I need to check out. Hey, is that the new logo, Voyah? Well, you see the same logo here. Oh, what is this? Okay, this can't be electric. Must be fossil. Let me check. We can always check for the tailpipe, right? There's no way this is electric. But it's Voyah still. What? Is it electric? Huh? e-Niro. This thing is can I open it? It's probably not open, but wow, it is actually electric, I believe. Look at the interior here. It's like a tank. It's like a Hummer, you know, copy-paste Hummer. Look here. Look at the door hinges. Wait, why are there door hinges on the outside? Okay, let's take a look more. Okay, here, just a bunch of fossil cars for you guys who are interested. I saw at the entrance there were lots of regular people, civilians, public, lots of people. You can see they are quite spread out, so it's massive over here. The public days, it's going to be even busier tomorrow, Saturday. But now I'm a little bit lost. Here we have a Model Y. There's also a Model X parked outside. Okay, we can check out this hall. Usually they will have trucks on this last hall over here. Some motorcycles and some other stuff. Yeah, a lot more motorcycles over here. Yeah, lots of bikes if you're interested. I see mostly men here. Not that many children yet. Okay, so last time Oslo Motor Show, they had trucks parked over here. Let's see what they have now. There are some classic cars. There's a little sausage booth here with some honey and stuff. And yeah, where was this? Yeah, here are the trucks. So many of these trucks, they are also fossil, not electric. you can probably recognize them. The electric. I think the one over there is electric. Is it? Actually, no, I think it's fossil. But yeah, there's just the way they have. I wonder if there's some kind of competition to style the interior of the truck. And you can also enter it and check it out. So, yeah, there's a bit of everything here. I mean, there's something for everyone here. That's what I meant. See here, I'm gonna check out. Yeah, this is wow. It actually looks really nice. Oh, okay. So lots of trucks over here. Want to see if there's any electric stuff here. Oh, that's the proper truck. Let me see. Just moving on. So the ticket cost around 40-ish euros, I think it was. So instead of you buying the ticket, you can come over here. I mean, you can check out the video instead, and you can consider whether it's worth it to come here or not. Scania, wait, is this electric? I'm not sure. But on the other hand, it's not that interesting. The electric trucks you guys have seen before. You see, this is the engine. It is ginormous. And how many horsepower does it produce? Probably has plenty of torque, but 500 horsepower, but it's just it's humongous and very complicated, and doesn't produce that much power compared to how big it is and heavy it is. So it's nice. It's like being in a museum, right? So just check out that. Are those electric excavators? I'm not sure. Okay, we're now in Halby, and here Tesla has some cars. Cybertruck is also displayed here, and the Model X long range that I borrowed a couple of days ago. They're parked outside, but yeah, you cannot enter the car. I heard that all the Cybertrucks that they use in Europe for show, they're going to be gathered together eventually and shipped back to US. So they are not road legal in Europe. So they serve the purpose of just being showed. But of course, these are fully drivable cars. I'm not sure how they transport them. They probably just take it on a flatbed, on a truck every time they need to move them. So, wait, this is Model 3 Performance. Wait, is this the car I borrowed? I mean, yeah, we can check it out maybe. I wonder if this is the car I borrowed. We can check on the VIN and see if that's the VIN that I had. Yeah. Well, okay. Anyway, let's check out what's more over here. Just some other cars, not too interesting. This guy is going crazy with the camber. Swedes, man. There's something about Swedes. But I think that's pretty much the end of the expo. Over here, just a bunch of fossil again. Wait, what is this? Oh, you know, I need to test it in Thailand. I'm actually in the process of booking MG Cyberster. This is the first time I see it. Now there's a yellow and also red. The red is the one we've seen. So they have it in Thailand supposedly. I didn't even know that the doors open like this. But yeah, so I'm going to borrow it in Thailand. Can I even drive it with the roof up? It's so hot over there. Well, interesting. Yeah, so it's a proper sports car, right? Well, I hope so. We'll have to see how it works. There's also the MG4 over there, as you guys know. Here we have MG ZS also, I think. Check out here. No, wait. This is not ZS. What is this? Why? No, it's it's fossil. I forgot. Yeah, I thought why I'm so outdated. Yeah, this is MG4. And the rest of the expo area is just some fossil. So now I gave you guys a quick overview of Oslo Motor Show. Yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Just come check it out then. But it's going to be crowded. It's already getting crowded. And now, as we shoot now, it's let me see, it's Friday. Yeah, 10:30. So you can imagine in this afternoon and tomorrow how busy it'll be here. So now I'm going to review a few cars, just a static review of the EVs, and then I'll head back. So that's gonna be for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, as always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.